So we're in the flower market here. So as you see all the flowers on the side, really popular at this time of the year. They're supposed to be for luck coming into New Year. So you'll see lots of white and pink flowers all through this area. Lots of plants as well, succulents, orchids. Another cool place to check out if you're here for the Valentine's Day. We're getting close as well, so if you want to grab a flower for a loved one, this is definitely a good place to come check out. On the right, they almost kind of look like a camellia. I'm not sure what these ones are. You definitely get an earful of the honking, that's for sure. Possibly a form of a camellia. Also too, like a lot of these flowers they're in the bonsai pots. They're big on pottery here too, bonsai pots. So we bring a lot of our pots back from Vietnam. We go and hand select everything from the smaller villages to the cities. I like the design they have. Lots of little mini oranges. Coming from an area where they need a cold climate, I'm surprised they can grow some of the tulips here. And then we're going to take a walk through the orchids here. So you can see some of the displays that they do are just magnificent. Like you've got lots of tulips on the right side here too. The way they decorate everything and use wood pieces. But everything's like so big. Like we get display of these in Vancouver. I see all the kids here, our kids and the nieces here, they all want some candy, so we're going to stop here and grab some snacks for everyone. Or sorry, they're right there. Another stall that's just all about candy. Full of all the little Buddhist statues and this is my favorite area, all the statues. I like these items. It's where you put your incense. When I came here last year before the new year. Again, a lot of stuff on the right side there. They're getting ready for Valentine's Day, which is going to be tomorrow. It's Friday here today, the 13th. Oh yeah, I just noticed Friday the 13th. Maybe that's why the motorbikes are going so crazy today. And you can see on this side all the different stuff on the right here for the Lunar New Year. Lots of different pieces you can choose from. A lot of stuff even for kids, lots of balloons and toys as well. Alright, as you can see, we're coming back out onto look like motorbike lane here. All the different motorbikes coming up. I find it a lot easier to cross the street with motorbikes than crossing the street with cars. And then on the right side here, this is one of their bigger markets, the night markets here. A lot of product outside, but also too when you go inside, there's many stalls inside as well that carry everything from clothing and little souvenirs, a lot of jewelry,